My preferred techniques for increasing the biological activity of the soil is lay insect frass into your media, or you can inoculate as a tea. Frass is excellent for driving higher fungals. A living soil means that you have everything in the soil itself required for the plant to achieve a balance with it. And so if we have a balanced nutrient base inside and we inoculate with streptomyces through using Grokashi applications, and we run other forms of biologicals through aerated compost teas, I end up getting a really good balance on my bottom end. And for the top end of the plant, if I can use a compost tea spray and a frass-based spray, what I notice is that I end up having a better biological situation on the leaf zone for protection against any kind of fungal issues. And frass as a insecticide. Insect frass works as almost a dissolving agent on mite eggs. So adult mites aren't affected by frass, but frass has a very good effect on mite eggs. And so when you spray insect frass on plants, it drives a higher fungal activity in the soil, but it also has an ability to be an excellent bug preventative.